Good morning, children. How are you? Today I am telling you a story, The Magic Pumpkin. Long time ago, two brothers lived together. The elder brother Rajiv was cunning in nature, but the younger brother was polite. Rajiv married a wealthy girl and Sanjeev married a poor girl. Hey brother, I'm moving to my wife's big house. Do not ever come seeking my help under any circumstances, Rajiv said to his brother and left. What shall we do for our living, dear? This house is all we got, Sanjeev said. His wife replied, Don't worry, let us grow some plants around the house and harvest them. Sounds like a good idea to me, Sanjeev said. One day, a little multicolored sparrow came flying to Sanjeev's house with a broken leg. Oh, poor sparrow, said the couple. Wait, I will bring him some medicine, said the wife. The couple treated the sparrow and put it in a cardboard box to heal. I have never seen such a beautiful sparrow in my life. Soon the sparrow healed completely and it waved goodbye and flew away. That evening, the sparrow left a small bag for the couple. Sanjeev said to his wife, The kind sparrow has left a few pumpkin seeds for us. We shall sow them in our garden. The couple planted the seeds and watered it. The next day, to their surprise, the pumpkins were completely grown in a single day. Wow! We shall cook one for us. Yes, yes, it will taste great, said Sanjeev. Sanjeev cut open the pumpkin and was surprised to look inside the pumpkin. The couple hurriedly cut open the other pumpkins as well. All their pumpkins were loaded with gold and jewels. With all those jewels, the couple became wealthy like never before. The news reached Rajiv and he ordered his servant find the magic sparrow and break its leg and bring it to him. The servant brought the sparrow as told, and everything happened once again. Rajiv and his wife saw the seeds and went sleepless that night. The next day, the couple cut open the pumpkins. The couple was very surprised to see fumes coming out of the pumpkins and all their wealth got destroyed by the fumes and they became poor. So, dear children, the moral of the story is you get what you deserve. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.